Ever pondered the power of creating anything you can dream of right from your desk? Welcome to the world of 3D printing, a realm where the only limit is your imagination. This technology, once a figment of science fiction, is now a reality. It's reshaping industries, transforming everything from healthcare, where it's used to create custom prosthetics, to fashion, where designers are crafting avant-garde pieces. Even the final frontier of space isn't beyond its reach, with NASA testing 3D printed rocket parts. Imagine a world where ideas take physical form with the click of a button, where inventors, artists, and everyday hobbyists alike can give life to their concepts. It's a tool of creation, a device that bridges the gap between the mind's eye and the tangible world. Who knew that a box of plastic could be so powerful? 3D printing is not just a fad, it's a revolution, allowing us to build anything our minds can conceive. So, what is this magical process of 3D printing, you may wonder? Well, let's demystify this fascinating technology. Imagine you're building a sandcastle. You'd start from the bottom and work your way up, right? That's exactly how 3D printing works, but instead of sand, we're using materials that are melted and then solidified to form layers, creating a three-dimensional object. This whole process starts with a digital model. Think of it as the blueprint of your creation. This model is then sliced into thin, horizontal layers by the printer's software. The 3D printer reads these slices and starts building your object, layer by layer, from the ground up. And the materials? Well, there's a wide selection to choose from. Plastic is a common choice, but you can also use metal, resin, and believe it or not, even chocolate. The possibilities are endless. With 3D printing, the complexity of design doesn't matter. If you can imagine it, you can print it. So, what have we learned about this incredible